Hi, this is Rich, WB5YBZ. Thank goodness South Canadian Amateur Radio Society has some code plugs for the GD77. You can find these on the w5nor.org. Now, these people are in Norman, Oklahoma. They're very helpful. Let's go on to the menu. If we go down to the digital radio, look at code plugs. Click the code plugs. You're in the code plug area. They have some for different types of radios, but here's the GD77 version 3.1.1, and right here is the link for the Oklahoma, the W5NOR code plugs for Oklahoma for the GD77. It says save link or target as, and you need to change it to a DAT file. So let's do that. We're going to right click this link in red, right click it, save as, and I'm saving it to my download files up here if you see it here, because you want to know where it is. So I want it small, DAT, and I'm going to hit save. Alright, next is we just go ahead and get out of this. Alright, now let's hope you have the GD77 software already installed to your computer. We open that up. I'm going to hit File, New. Okay. It's like it's never been used before. Okay. Over here where it says boot item, and this is just for your own personal thing. You can leave it there if you want to. But when it boots up, it'll show your call sign. So I like that idea. So I put WB5YBZ. And I'm going to, line 2, I'm going to put Rich, which is my name, Rich. And sort of neat is that you get out of it and you go back into it, it's still there. So that's pretty cool. The next thing is you go down to General Settings. And again, I'm going to just put in my call sign, WB5YBZ. But this is the most important thing. If you do not have a DMR number, get out of this program, look and see where you apply for a DMR number, and when you get that, then you can finish this up. My DMR number is 3140854. And you go over here to where it says contact, double click it, and go to the digital, not the DTMF, but the digital. You might want to go ahead and delete the third one and the second one. This is where I made mistakes. Several times I tried to import the file I downloaded a while ago. It just wouldn't work. I don't understand. It just didn't work. And by luck, I finally said, open. And when I went to my downloads, there it is. So I just either click open. Well, I have to highlight open. And all of a sudden it says open successfully. Now if we go down to contact, we go to digital contact, and voila, there's all our information along with Oklahoma Hams that has their DMR numbers in here. Isn't that wonderful? Another thing I want to show you is zones. Now this is a lot of zones all over Oklahoma. For example, if you're driving up the turnpike and you get up to Big Cabin, almost to the Missouri border, it's Big Cabin, and there on the repeater you can tie into all these, or you can maybe, if you want to, add something else in here, I guess. Now it's time to install your software on your handy talkie. you plug your wire that comes with your handy-talkie into the right side of it. And you turn it on. And you plug the other part into your USB on your computer. And you can either hit this little one, which I sort of think is sort of neat. Looks like a little walkie-talkie or handy-talkie, pardon me. Or you can hit program and hit write. Me, I'm just going to click this and then it's going to start showing write. And it's writing all this information of your zones, your contacts, all that information, your call sign, your DMR number, everything is being put into your little handy-talkie. When it's finished, it'll say write complete, and your handy-talkie screen will probably light up. All you have to do is unplug it, and all of a sudden you're talking to the world. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped, and I hope you keep on hamming. This is WB5YBZ. Rich will be clear.